Golconda Group is a 22 years old hotel chain. Currently, we have two hotel properties. One a 4-star hotel property near Masap Tank, another a 5-star property, a resort property at Gandipet. We have been in the business for last 22 years, and we have been seeing the changes which are happening in the hotel industry. A lot of multinationals, international companies have started coming into Hyderabad, and the whole business mix has undergone change. Substantial amount of business is coming through electronic channels, particularly internet and all other electronic channels. Currently, about 20% in the hotel industry is coming from electronic channels. If you compare that with airlines has already crossed 50% of its business, which has started coming from electronic channels. So we also see going forward, hotel industry, substantial business will come from electronic channels. Considering this, we have realized that being a loan operating property, there are certain advantages and certain disadvantages. Particularly disadvantages being not having global marketing reach, and technology support for electronic channel marketing, something like GDS, what we call Global Distributory System. These things are sort of a weakness for a loan operating properties or owner operated properties. Whereas other positives being owner operative, we have been in the industry for 22 years. We didn't want to kill our brand, Golconda, which is well known. That's how we were scouting for an international chain which would give us freedom to retain our brand name, yet give us a global reach in marketing as well as technology. That's where we have zeroed in on World Hotels, which is a 4th largest hotel chain in the world, with 500 properties, more than 1 lakh hotel rooms, and more than anything, they have offices all over the world in 32 locations, and good number of marketing people working all over the world. They have very good tie-ups and relations with corporates, multinational corporate companies, consortia, online travel agents, and other airlines. They have tie-ups. So all these things will benefit the property. That's how we have looked at, and then we have gone forward to sign up an agreement with them. This arrangement with World Hotels is purely support of technology as well as marketing support. It has nothing to do with the management. Management still is run by the owners currently who have been operating this property. And we still retain our brand identity. That's exactly what has made us to go with World Hotels.